Hi everyone, now we will be discussing question case study 1E. You are assigned to set up a gaming PC business and have to borrow a 20,000 ringgit loan for 5 years. There are two banks that you have surveyed for that loan. First option is Berjaya Bank with 5.54% compounded semi-annually interest rate charge. Second option is the RHB Bank with 5.75% compounded quarterly interest rate charge. The question given, calculate the total interest charge for each bank. So first, we extract the information given in the question. So here we have P, which is principal, is 20,000 ringgit, and T, which is length of time, is 5 years. For this question, we will be using two formulas, which is S equal to P times 1 plus K per M to the power of M times T. S is future value, K is nominal interest rate, and M is frequency. Second formula is I equal to S minus P. We will be calculate the total interest charge for Berjaya Bank first. So the information given is K equal to 0.0554 and the M equal to 2 because it's compounded semi-annually, means 2 times in a year. We need to find the future value first before finding the interest. So we insert the information into the formula and get the future value equals to 26,284 ringgit 30 cents. Next, we insert the answer into the I equal to S minus P formula to find the interest. We get the final answer. The total interest charge for the Berjaya Bank is 6,284 ringgit. Same goes to the RHB Bank. So here the K is equals to 0.0575 and the M is equals to 4 because it's compounded quarterly, means 4 times in a year. Then we insert the information into the formula to find S and we will get 26,607 ringgit and 30 cents. Next, we insert the S and P into the I formula and we will get 6,607 ringgit and 30 cents for the total interest charge for RHB Bank. That's all for question 1A. Next, question 1B, which company should you choose to borrow the loan based on your answer in A and give your reason. So it shows clearly that we have to choose Berjaya Bank because they offer lower interest than the RHB Bank.
Now, I will continue with this question C. After 3 years, the bank changed the rate to 6% compound monthly. How much should you pay at the end of 5 years? Calculate the total interest paid. First of all, I will divide the timeline into two parts. Now, let's list out the information that we're given. So, to find the S1, the information that we have is P equals to 20,000, which is our original amount, T equals to 3 years, and to get the interest rate, we can find it in the question A, which is interest rate will be charged 5.54% compounded semi-annually. So, we knew that K is equals to 0.0554 and M equals to 2. Next, for the second part, to find the T, we have to minus 3 from 5 years and the remaining 2 years will be our new T. The question also states that the bank changed the rate to 6% compound monthly, so our K equals to 0.06 and M equals to 12. Now that we have all the information, we can proceed to the calculation using the future value formula. So first, we have to find the S1, which is equal to 20,000 times 1 plus 0.0554 over 2 to the power of 2 times 3. The answer will be 23,562.87 and this will be our new present value. After that, to find the S2, we use the same formula again. So, S2 equals to 23,562.87 times 1 plus 0.06 over 12 to the power of 12 times 2. Then, the final answer will be 26,559.12 and this will be the amount that we have to pay at the end of the 5 years. Let's move on to the interest paid. To find the interest paid, we use the interest formula, which is S minus P. So, I equal to S, which is 26,559.12 minus P, our original value, which is 20,000, and the total interest paid is 6,559.12.
So, as you can see from this question, Mr. Azri is manager and he's going to retire soon. He has two choices, which is to withdraw 3,500,000 from his KWSP's account and invest the whole amount in the annuity scheme that pays 0.9% compound monthly. This way he will get 10,000 ringgit every month until the account is empty. Another choice is to join a private retirement plan where he will also get 10,000 ringgit every month for 28 years. Now we will be answering question case study 2A. Which option should Mr. Asri choose? Justify your answer with relevant calculations. And for this question, we will be using the formula A equals to R in bracket 1 minus in bracket 1 plus K over M in bracket to the power of negative MT over K over M. A here stands for accumulated value, whereas R stands for periodic payment. K stands for his interest rate, where M stands for the amount his money will be compounded in a year, and T stands for years. So now we have our A, which is 3,500,000, R is 10,000 and K is 0.09 because it's 0.9%, and M is 12 because his interest will be compounded monthly, whereas there are 12 months in a year, so it's going to be 12. And now we have inserted the information we have gathered into the formula, where 3,500,000 is equals to 10,000 in bracket 1 minus bracket 1 plus 0.009 over 12 in bracket to the power of negative 12 times T over 0.09 over 12. And when we have arrived to the point where we want to make T as the subject, we will need to be using the formula where log A to the power of B is equals to B log A. Now it's negative 12 log 1.00075 equals to log 0.7375. Now we have to make T as the subject, where now it will be T equals to negative 4061378 over negative 12, where now we will get T as 33 years. And now we know that Mr. Asri will get 10,000 ringgit every month that will last him for 33 years. Compared to his second option, where he will only get 10,000 ringgit every month for 28 years. So it is obvious that Mr. Asri should choose his first option, which is the KWSP option, because it provides monthly payments, which is 10,000 ringgit for approximately 33 years, which is way longer than joining the private retirement plan, which will only last him for 28 years. And that is all from me. Thank you.
This case study is about Mr. Asri who wants to buy a motorcycle for his son to use for college. The price of the motorcycle is 11k. He plans to use an installment plan by paying 10% down payment and the rest through 60 monthly payments. The interest rate given is 8% per year compounded monthly. Firstly, calculate the down payment. The down payment is 10% of 11,000. So, 10% multiplied by 11,000 equals to 1,100. Therefore, the amount that needs to be financed through the loan is 11,000 minus 1,100 equals to 9,900. Next, identify the values. A equals to 9,900 is loan amount, K equals to 0.08 interest rate per year, M equals to 12 compounded monthly, T equals to 60 months equals to 5 years. After that, find the monthly payment R. Use the annuity formula for monthly installment. After substituting all values into the formula, we get R equals to 200 ringgit 74 cents. So, the monthly payment Mr. Asri needs to pay is 200 ringgit 74 cents for 60 months. After that, calculate total interest charge. Total paid over 5 years equals to 60 multiplied by 200 ringgit 74 cents equals to 12,044 ringgit 40 cents. Interest equals to total paid minus loan amount equals to 12,044 ringgit 40 cents minus 9,900 equals to 2,144 ringgit 40 cents. In conclusion, by using the installment method with 8% interest compounded monthly, Mr. Asri will pay 200 ringgit 74 cents every month, and the bank will earn 2,144 ringgit 40 cents in interest. Thank you.
So for the C question, if he wants to settle all of the loan immediately after paying the 20th monthly payment, how much additional payment does he have to make? So it says that he wants to settle the loan after paying the 20th monthly payment. In this case, we just have to use the A formula, which is the present value or discounted value of annuity. So for our N, which is 60 minus 20 equals to 40, we can get the 60 from the B question, which is 60 equal monthly payments. For the 20, we can get from this question, which is paying the 20th monthly payment. Then we will get the 40 for our R, which is RM 200.74. It already stated in the B question too. For our I, 8% divided by 12 equals to 0.0066667. Also in the B question, which is 8%, we divide it with 12 because it is compounded monthly. That's why. Then we just have to put all of this information in the formula. Then we'll get our A, which is RM 7,027.71. So for the second Roman, which is the Roman, how much interest is paid? So it says interest. So we just have to use the interest formula, which is I equals to NR minus A. So for our NR, which is final amount, 20 times 200.74 plus 7,027.71 minus our A, which is 9,900. So when we calculate all of these, we will get RM 1,142.51. That's all for the C question.
For question D, if he has not paid his first 3 monthly payments, how much should he pay on his 4th payment to settle all outstanding arrears? To answer this question, we need to find out how much he should pay on his 4th payment after missing the first 3. So, we are using the future value of an ordinary annuity formula because each missed payment the first 3 months accumulates interest up to the 4th month. So, our P now is RM 200.74 and our K is 0.08, and substituting the values into the formula, we will get RM 811.03, meaning on the 4th month, he should pay 811 ringgit and 3 cents to settle all outstanding amounts.